Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a Vietnamese style dish. It's caramelized frog legs. Hope you enjoy. Stand by and let's get to cooking. Okay, first we're going to make a marinade. We're going to take soy sauce. Take 3 tablespoons of it. If you're wondering why I chose this recipe, I have a friend from Ireland who just went on holiday like last month or so to Vietnam, and I asked her what her favorite about the food she ate there, anything that she liked in particular, and she said frog legs. So here we are. We're going to do 3 tablespoons honey, she is also a fellow YouTuber. I will leave a link to her channel down below, and I also put a card on the end of the video so y'all can go give her a subscription or go check her out, 3. I've had frog legs before, but not this style. They're usually just fried up. Next is 1 pinch of powdered ground ginger. And that's about a pinch. Set it aside. Now it calls for some minced garlic. Just add a clove. So it's 2. That'll work. That in the marinade. Be right back. We got our frog legs right here. Whisk this all together. There. We'll put a lid on this. Just gonna like so. You may be wondering where I got these frogs. I did not catch them. had to go through one of the restaurants that I work at, purveyors, suppliers. Yeah. Now we're gonna take a bag, plastic bag. Yeah, it's not gonna be enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it marinate for an hour, and we're gonna come back to you, and I'll see you in an hour. Okay, it's been an hour. We're gonna drain the legs, set them aside. We're going to take the marinade, put it in a small saucepan, down on the stove, work with it later. The legs, we're going to season them with a little salt and pepper. Here we got 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, now we heat about 2 tablespoons of oil up. That's ready to go. They're almost ready. We got our sauce in this pan right here working. I got some rice cooking, so we'll serve this with some rice. And we got the sauce here. We're gonna let it simmer well for about 3 minutes. It'll be ready to use. We got the legs cooking, about 2 minutes per side. So the timer goes off, they'll be ready to serve. And now we're gonna plate them. Rice is done, the frog legs are done, sauce is done. So. garnish, we're gonna sprinkle a little fresh cut green onions. There we go. I'll see you at the table. Well, here we are. We got frog legs. Bon appetit. Meat, little rice. Pretty good. Not bad. Try another. Let's try another bite. One more meat this time. Yeah, it's definitely a good dish. Very enjoyable, yet simple. Which, if you've been following me, you know I like simplicity. But yeah, I give it 8.5 stars out of 10. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe. I try to put up a video every week, every Wednesday. Sometimes I can't do it due to real life situations like work or so on. And ring the bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And leave a comment. Thank you and have a great day.